Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to go over Go Math Lesson 6.7, Relate Multiplication and Division. Today's essential question is, how can you use multiplication to divide? Let's look at our first problem. Our first problem says Pam went to the fair. She went on the same ride 6 times and used the same number of tickets each time. She used 18 tickets. How many tickets did she use each time she went on the ride? First, we need to underline what we need to find. And for this problem, we need to find how many tickets did she use each time she went on the ride. Next, we need to circle the numbers that we need to use. Pam went to the fair and she went on the same ride 6 times and used the same number of tickets each time. That each is an important word. She used 18 tickets. And it is implied that she used those in all. She used 18 total tickets. So how many tickets did she use each time she went on the ride? And that is what we are looking to find. One way to solve this problem is to use a bar model. We can use a bar model to understand how multiplication and division are related. We will complete the bar model to show 18 tickets divided into 6 equal groups. So what we have to decide is how much would be in each bar of our bar model. We know from our multiplication facts that 6 times 3 will give us 18. So that tells us that we need a 3 in each bar of our bar model. So we're going to put in a 3 for each bar of our bar model. Now if we look back at our bar model, we know that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give us 18. So our division fact would be 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So Pam used 3 tickets each time she went on the ride. Another way we can solve this problem is to use an array. You can use an array to see how multiplication and division are related. We can start off by doing an array with 18 counters in 3 equal rows. So they have actually begun our array for us. So what we are going to do is we are going to continue to count out counters until we get to 18 in 3 equal rows and see exactly how many counters will end up in each row. So we have 1, 2, 3 counted out for us. So we're going to continue that with 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have now counted out 18 counters in 3 equal rows. So now we will need to count and see how many counters ended up in each row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 counters in each row. So that shows us that 18 divided by 3 equals 6. The same array can be used to find the total number if you know there are 3 rows and 6 counters in each row, just as we did with multiplication. 3 times 6 gives us 18. So as you can see, just as we used an array in multiplication to find a product, we can use an array in division to find a quotient. I hope you have enjoyed tonight's lesson on relating multiplication and division. We will see you tomorrow.